Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Betty. On today's video, I'm going to show you something that is fast and easy. It's a popular trending thing that I saw on TikTok. It's called whipped coffee, also known as Dalgona coffee. For this recipe, all you're going to need are instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need a bowl, just like the one that I have here. You're going to need instant coffee. This is the one that I had, so I used that one, medium roast. I like this brand, but you can use any brand you want. Also, you are going to need a spoon. You're going to need a whisk, and also you're going to need some hot water. So to make the whipped coffee, you're gonna need equal parts of each ingredient. So for example, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of coffee, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. You can put as much sugar as you want, but on the original recipe is for equal parts. So this is enough for me and my hubby. But if you want to make more, like a big batch, you can do so, and it will work just perfect. So after you have all your ingredients on the bowl, what you're gonna do is just gonna whisk for 3 minutes. That's what I like. It's not very loose, the consistency, but it's not as airy. That's how I like mine. But you can whisk for 5 minutes and it'll be perfect. So after 3 minutes, this is how it's going to look. As you can see, it's not as thick as the original recipe, but this is how I like mine. But like I said before, you can keep whisking for 5 more minutes and it will be very thick and very airy. Okay, so now that the whipped coffee is ready, let's put it together. To serve this, you are going to need milk. You can do this with cold milk, hot milk, that's up to you. I like mine with cold milk and a little bit of ice. Personally, I don't like this drink served hot. I feel like it takes away all the frothiness of the coffee, and it's just like if you're drinking a latte. So to me, this is like the best way of serving it is cold milk with a little bit of ice. And if you want to make a little bit more sweeter, you can add more sugar to it. Listen, I'm not a coffee drinker, but let me tell you, I can totally drink this every single day. This is absolutely delicious. This will definitely be something that I will make during the hot summer weather. I love this drink and I think everybody in the family will. So if you guys want to make it, let me know on the comment section below. Let me know if you like it. Also, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you'll know when a new video is coming up. And I will see you next time on the next video. Bye.